My heroes are not like those superheroes in capes, dressing tight clothes, walking around covering their face. My heroes fight real battles against their oppressors and backing states. They are true heroes, and they inspire me to be great. My heroes are the reporters that are reporting the tragedies, frustrating the authorities, shining the torch on their barbarities. My heroes are the doctors who refuse to leave the critical alone, attending to the wounded and operating by the light of their mobile phones. My heroes are the nurses wrapping bandages around bleeding heads and continuing their duties despite their own family being found amongst their dead. My heroes are the parents smiling over the bodies of their children, telling them to send their regard and salam to Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. My heroes are the mu'adhin standing on top of mosques that have been flattened, making a statement that despite your efforts, this deen will never be abandoned. My heroes are the paramedics holding shivering children to their chests, comforting and embracing, placing a tender kiss to their precious foreheads. My heroes are the civilians digging through rubble and debris in strife, pulling out bodies and limbs and celebrating the rescue of life. My heroes are the men who inspire patience and strength to the grieving. We are all martyrs, to Allah we belong and to Him we will be leaving. My heroes are the Palestinians, my heroes are the Palestinians, my heroes are the Palestinians who have fought tanks and bombs with sticks and stones for 75 years. How could you defeat them when their response to the entire world is Hasbunallah, Hasbunallah wa ni'mal wakeel?